Good afternoon, Valparaiso. I'm Storm Shield Meteorologist Matt Wilson here with your VUTV weather update for this first day of fall break. So today is going to be nice and pleasant weather for your first day of break. However, the weekend is going to be rainy in the early part of it, Friday and Saturday, but sun is going to return on Sunday and stay with us for much of Monday and the early part of Tuesday before some rain returns at the very end of our forecast period here. So looking at current temperatures here, well, this is forecast for today at 2 p.m. 61 degrees at Valpo, 58 up near the lake around Gary, with some of that cooling influence from the lake with our northeast winds here. 62 in Chicago. Down in Illinois, if a lot of you are home for break, it's a bit warmer. 66 in Ottawa, 69 degrees in Pontiac, and 67 in Kankakee. Moving forward here with our forecast, the low tonight is going to be around 48 in Valparaiso as some of that lake influence warms the shoreline here. It's going to remain a bit warmer in Gary, 49, 51 in Chicago, 51 in Joliet, a little bit warmer down in Illinois here at Pontiac with 52. Moving forward for tomorrow, we're going to have a warm front moving into the area on Friday. So high is going to be around 70 here in Valparaiso, Gary around 70. Down in Illinois, a bit warmer at 76. In Pontiac, Kankakee, and Ottawa, going to be a pretty nice day. However, later in the day, Friday, some showers will move in, as we'll see in a bit with our forecast radar later. Friday night into Saturday, it's going to remain pretty warm. 62 degrees in Valpo, 64 in Gary, a bit warmer across in Illinois again, 66 in Pontiac and 65 in Kankakee. So moving towards Saturday morning, a cold front from that system moves through, which you can actually see in the temperatures here. 67 in Chicago, 69 in Joliet. You can see the front is kind of this line here. 69 in Pontiac. In Valparaiso, we'll have a high early in the day of around 68 degrees before that front moves through. So looking out with our precip here, our forecast radar, we have this system out in the high plains, which is going to move towards our area over the next couple of days and is going to bring us rain for Friday night into Saturday morning. So we can see here Friday, early in the day around noon, we have the warm front from the system sitting over Chicago, represented by that band of cloud there, and the system's precipitation off to the west in Iowa and Missouri. And that's going to move our way later in the day. Around 7 p.m., we should be getting some showers from the system tomorrow. And that rain is going to continue through the overnight hours off and on with some spotty showers over the area for much of the night and into the day on Saturday. Probably the last of the rain will be exiting the area early in the afternoon on Saturday, and it should clear up reasonably nicely by the evening Saturday. So looks like we have a little lingering cloud behind that front, and as we move into the Saturday overnight into Sunday, we have a little lingering late cloud, but not much. So moving to our forecast here tonight, a low of 46 degrees, northeast winds at 5 to 15 miles an hour, bringing a little bit of lake influence again, so areas further north near Gary may be a bit warmer tonight. Tomorrow we'll have a high of 70 degrees, reasonably nice, overcast, but a little bit of a chance of rain later in the day around 7 again is when we should get the kind of bulk of the showers moving towards us. And winds from the southeast at 10 to 20 miles an hour, so kind of blustery. Looking at our 5-day forecast here, again tomorrow, Friday, we have a high of 70 degrees, a low of 59 with showers moving in late in the day and continuing throughout the overnight hours. Saturday, we have a high of 68 degrees early in the day before the cold front moves through. Rain throughout much of the morning, ending in the early afternoon as the cold front exits the area with a low of 41 degrees Saturday night. Sunday, we have a high of 59 degrees and a low of 43, quite pleasant and sunny and cool. And Monday, a high of 61, a low of 42, sunny and mild again. And to round out our forecast, Tuesday, we have a high of 60 degrees, a low of 53, cloudy as our next system moves in from the plains with a slight chance of rain as we go into the evening hours on Tuesday. This has been your VUTV Storm Shield Weather Update. I'm meteorologist Matt Wilson, and have a wonderful fall break, Valparaiso.